Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to create this Indian look, and this is super easy to achieve, wearable, affordable and perfect for every occasion. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, then please keep watching. Starting with the face, I'm using this Wet n Wild primer. This will even out my skin tone and will give flawless application of foundation. I'm taking it on the areas where I feel that I have pores. So on my cheeks, nose, my chin and my forehead area. Now moving on to foundation, I'm taking L'Oreal Trumi Match Foundation in the shade Golden Beige, and I just love this foundation because I have dry skin and I really like to use something which will give me dewy finish, and this helps me in achieving that look. So I would like to suggest to you all, if you think that I'm mixing some rosehip oil with this foundation for the radiant look. So if you have dry skin or very dry skin and you believe that Maybelline Fit Me foundation doesn't suit you, it leaves your skin dry, flaky, then you can always switch to this foundation. This is actually very good foundation for dry skin and this will not leave your skin dry. So if you want to opt out from Maybelline and you want to use a good foundation, then this is a must try, and I promise you that you're not going to regret buying it. This is a little bit pricey than Maybelline Fit foundation, but it will give you results. It will give you the best results you want. So I'm taking this foundation all over my face. This foundation also gives you natural finish, so it doesn't look that you have layers of foundation on your face. And if you want a little more coverage, you can take one more pump. I'm taking one more pump. After foundation, I'm using my LA Pro HD Conceal in the shade Pure Beige just to cancel out all that discoloration on my face. The next concealer I'm using is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. I'm going to apply it under my eyes for the brightness, and I'm also going to highlight using this concealer. After doing concealer, I am moving on to setting my face, and I'm using, first of all, I'm going to set my entire face using this Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder in the shade Medium. No, sorry, it's not in the shade Medium, it's in the shade Pure Beige. And I'm setting my entire face using this powder. And for setting my under eyes, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Medium. And for that, I'm taking a brush and I'm going to set my under eyes. And I'm also setting my eyelids. After setting my face, I'll move on to my eyes. So first I'll do my brows. So I'm using this Colorbar eyebrow pencil in the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to take the product at the back of my hand. First of all, I'll use the spoolie part And I'm gonna brush my eyebrows in the upward direction. After doing this, I'm taking the pencil and just drawing the shape. With the angular brush, I'll be taking the product I have took on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to take this on this brush, and I'll just fill in the sparse area. After filling my brows, you can always clean if you need to by using a concealer. So I'm taking some concealer on the back of my hand. I'm taking a flat brush and I'm taking this concealer and I'm going to clean the edges. I've cleaned my edges so that if they are looking a little messy, you can always go back and clean the edges using the concealer. After doing my brows, I'm moving on to my eyes, and the palette I'm using today is from Wet n Wild in the shade Rose in the Air, and the colors in this palette looks like this. So I'll be taking this shade first. I'm taking a blending brush and I'm using that shade. On my crease as well as my eyelid. And for the next eyeshadow, I'm going to take this color here. So I'm taking this as my second eyeshadow. And I'm taking on the same brush. Now I'm taking a small brush and I'm taking the first color I took for my eyes and I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line as well. After applying the same color on my lower lash line, I'm taking my kajal, and my next step would be that I'm going to apply this kajal on my lower lash line and upper lash line. Using an eyeliner brush from PAC, this is 315, and I'm going to smudge the kohl I took in my upper lash line. It's not doing the job for us, so I'm taking this flat brush for smudging the kohl I applied on my upper lash line. moving on to mascara, and I'm using a curler to curl my lashes. For mascara, I'm using my Maybelline Forties Push-Up Drama Mascara. I'm going to keep my face pretty simple. I'm moving on to contours, so I'm using Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. Taking a contouring brush, for blush I'm using Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rose, and it's a beautiful pink color. I'm taking a round brush, after blush I'm using the highlighter Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm taking some on the tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, apple of my cheeks, so after applying highlighter I am moving on to lipstick, and I'm using Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Touch of Spice, beautiful mauvish pink color. So after applying lipstick, I'm going to mist myself, and I'm taking L'Oreal Infallible spray. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you're going to like this Indian look. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. And also please do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I'll be posting a new video in future. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.